Hats off to Modi ji. He has proved once again nothing is impossible for him. Even a Brazilian model casting her vote 22 times in Haryana. Modi, Modi. He has united Brazil and Haryana through one woman's voter ID. The real Prime Minister of global India. This time for Haryana.
एकदम इन्होंने वक्त बदल दिया, जज्बात बदल दिए, जिंदगी बदल दी.
Only those who have studied entire political science can pull this off with such precision.
दुनिया में एकमात्र व्यक्ति हैं हमारे प्रधानमंत्री जी, एकमात्र व्यक्ति जिनके पास अद्भुत डिग्री है. उस विषय की डिग्री किसी के पास नहीं. इंटायर पॉलिटिकल साइंस.
मैं तो गुजरात विश्वविद्यालय से ये कहूंगी, जो आपका इतना यूनिक डिपार्टमेंट है, एंटायर पॉलिटिकल साइंस, उसको तो प्रधानमंत्री के नाम पे उसका नामकरण भी करना चाहिए.
Emotional damage. गजब बेइज्जती है.
Tô usando a foto minha pra fazer, eu não sei se é uma eleição, alguma coisa de voto que tem que votar. E na Índia, tô me colocando como indiana pra dar golpe nos outros, gente. Olha que loucura. Que doideira é essa que mundo nós estamos vivendo?
I don't know what she's saying, but I think she's shocked how Shri Ganesh Kumar is using the pictures of Matai and Behne of Brazil to help BJP win in Haryana.
Hey Ganesh, what have you done to my photo? Why am I appearing in your voter roll? I'm not even an Indian, dude.
Remember when asked for the CCTV footage of polling booths, what our Chief Election Commissioner Shri Ganesh Kumar ji said? How can we show you videos of our Matai, Behne, Bahu, Beti and all?
क्या अपनी माताओं, बहुओं, बेटियों सहित किसी भी मतदाता की सीसीटीवी वीडियो चुनाव आयोग को साझा करनी चाहिए क्या?
Now I am genuinely scared Ganesh ji will scold Mr. Gandhi again. Does it really suit a leader like you, Mr. Gandhi, to flash the photos of Brazil's sisters and daughters in your presentation like this? Have some sanskar, please. This is Brazilian election. Sorry. Bharatiya Election Commission.
जोर जोर से बोल के लोगों को स्कीमें बता दे.
Jokes apart. At least we should appreciate the progress BJP has made. From Anil Masi to Brazilian Mausi.
वाह मोदी जी, वाह, वाह.
We live in a truly global world. An Indian origin man wins an election in America and quotes Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru in his victory speech.
Standing before you, I think of the words of Jawaharlal Nehru. A moment comes but rarely in history when we step out from the old to the new, when an age ends and when the soul of a nation long suppressed finds utterance. Tonight we have stepped out from the old into the new.
And a Brazilian model votes in India 22 times to make sure Modi ji wins with full majority.
हमको मोदी चाहिए. मोदी हमारा पति, हमारा भाई, हमारा बाप, हमारा गुरु है. हम उनके ऊपर दिल दे बैठे हैं.
India is now truly Vishwaguru. We don't just conduct elections, we conduct collaborations. I'm damn sure the day is not far when Brazil too will be added to Akhand Bharat, Brazil Pradesh. And don't be surprised when Amazon rainforest will be renamed into Amazon rainforest. Hey! How? Because Modi. Remember, once upon a time, they said an Italian shouldn't become the Prime Minister of India. They rolled on the streets, they screamed, they protested, and now they have won a state election by a Brazilian.
बड़ा हरामी हो बेटा.
मैंने शुरू से ये कहा है कि भारतीय जनता पार्टी एक तरफा सरकार बना रही है. हमारे पास सारी व्यवस्थाएं हैं, आप चिंता मत करिए.
Now, please notice the smile on his face. And please notice the word Vyavastha. What exactly is the Vyavastha that the Chief Minister of Haryana is talking about? This is 2 days after the election, when everybody is saying that the Congress party is sweeping the election, when every indicator is that the Congress party is going to win, all the polls, all the exit polls are saying it, and this gentleman is very sure and is smiling that the BJP has some Vyavastha that is going to show itself.
These are not ordinary politicians. These are democracy engineers. When Modi ji says Vishwaguru, he means it literally. Every citizen of the Vishwa will now vote for him, for Rahul Gandhi. Will keep on holding press meets, atom bomb, hydrogen bomb, Zendu bomb, whatever he calls it. Poor soul can't even find one Brazilian to support him. He couldn't even succeed in Bharat Jodo, while Modi ji has already completed Brazil Jodo. Next election, don't be shocked if you see Shakira dancing in a BJP rally in Rohtak. This type of Bhajpa.
ये सब क्या देखना पड़ रहा है? अच्छा है मैं अंधा हूँ.
Remember when Modi ji hosted that grand G20 summit back in 2023? You know what? In the future, it will be renamed G22 Summit in the honor of our newest global state, Brazil Pradesh's Mahila Morcha. And when the anthem starts playing, Sare jahan se acha, and after Hindu Sita Hamara Hamara, it will be Brazil bhi hamara hamara. Koi shak, any doubt? Karna bhi mat. Why? Because Modi.
Modi hai to mumkin hai.
Okay, this rant isn't about Rahul Gandhi. It is about your vote. Call Rahul Gandhi Pappu, Gappu, Chappu, who cares? But for once, look beyond the nickname. Because this isn't about him. This is about you. Your one vote. That tiny ink mark on your finger, the one thing that makes a billionaire and a beggar equal for one day. And if that is being played with, then my friend, it doesn't matter who wins because you already lost.
कि जिस सिस्टम पे आप भरोसा करते हो, डेमोक्रेटिक सिस्टम, जिसके बारे में पूरी दुनिया में कहा जाता है इंडिया इज द लार्जेस्ट डेमोक्रेसी, वो सच्चाई नहीं, वो झूठ है. India's democracy has been destroyed. And this is 100% proof that I have given you, and we have given you in Madhepura, and we have given you in Aland, that it has been destroyed. Right? So, मैं यूथ से कहता हूं, जेनजी से कहता हूं, हिंदुस्तान के नागरिकों से कहता हूं कि ये जो लोकतंत्र है ये आपका है. ये ना इलेक्शन कमीशन का है, ना नरेंद्र मोदी का है, ना अमित शाह का, ये आपका है. और इसको डिफेंड करना, इसकी रक्षा करना आपकी और हमारी जिम्मेदारी है. धन्यवाद.
अरे यार छोड़ो, सब पॉलिटिक्स है. इंडिया में ऐसे ही होता है. अरसियल्ला इदलम साधारणम अप्पा. Exactly. That is what they want. By making fraud sound casual. They'll warn you questioning the election commission is questioning democracy itself. They'll shout, how dare you question democracy? But questions are democracy, isn't it? They say respect the system. But what if the system stops respecting the people? They say don't insult the election commission. But what do you call it when the election commission starts insulting elections? Because when the voter list is fiction, the government is fiction. And when the government is fiction, laws are fiction. And when laws are fiction, your rights are fiction. When the ballot is stolen, the mandate is stolen. And when the mandate is stolen, power is stolen. And when power is stolen, your future is stolen. You are no longer a voter. You are a spectator in your own country. When the vote dies, every other right dies with it. Without it, the constitution is just paper. The parliament is just a stage, and you are just an audience. When a government starts choosing its voters instead of voters choosing their government, it is not an election, it is an illusion. And if you think this doesn't concern you because your side is winning today, listen. If you are smiling now because the fraud favors your color, your flag, your leader, know this. When the rules are broken for them today, they can be broken for you tomorrow. Power changes hands. When it does, the same dirty tricks you applauded will be used to crush you. The gun you loaded for your enemies will one day be pointed at your own head. The laws you cheer when bent will bind you when reshaped. The silence you bought will become the silence that buries you. If you clap for the thief because he is stealing from someone you hate, don't be surprised when he comes for your pocket next. Thieves don't retire. They just change targets. If you celebrate the fire because it is burning their house, don't forget fire spreads. Tomorrow it will be your roof collapsing and their turn to cheer. And in that moment, you will finally understand when you cheered for injustice because it wasn't your turn to suffer. You were not winning. You were just standing in line. So wake up while the votes still belong to you. Hold them to light before the light is turned off permanently. Until one day, you will whisper the same words you are shouting now proudly. Modi, Modi, Modi hai to mumkin hai. And realize you were right all along. Everything is possible for him. Even the death of democracy. This is brown enlightenment reminding you that the rights you ignore today are the ones you will beg for tomorrow. Jai Hind.
बोल के लब आजाद है तेरे बोल जुबान अब तक तेरी है